Welcome to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the coolest portable air conditioners of the year, you've come to the right place. We've rounded up 5 incredible options that bring you comfort, convenience, and smart design no matter where you are. Let's count them down from number 5 to number 1. Number 5. EcoFlow WAVE 3. Starting off our list is the EcoFlow WAVE 3, a powerhouse in compact cooling. Known for its sleek design and impressive 5,100 BTU performance, this unit can quickly drop temperatures in small rooms, tents, or RVs. It also runs quietly and connects seamlessly with EcoFlow's portable batteries, giving you true off-grid cooling power. Perfect for campers, road trippers, or anyone who needs reliable climate control on the move. Number 4. Zero Breeze. Mark III. Next up is the Zero Breeze. Mark III, designed specifically for outdoor enthusiasts. With an upgraded dual hose system and 2,300 BTUs of cooling, it's surprisingly powerful for its lightweight, compact frame. It's highly portable, runs on a detachable battery pack, and cools down tents, vans, and small spaces fast. If you want a portable AC that's made for adventure, this one delivers. Number 3. DREO 318S and 319S. These units combine powerful performance with smart features at a very reasonable price. They come with efficient cooling, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice assistant compatibility, and easy-to-use app controls. With their modern design and reliable build quality, they're a great choice for home use, ideal for apartments, bedrooms, or offices. Number 2. Turbo Italy TAC200R. This one caught attention on Kickstarter for its innovative ductless design. Unlike most portable AC units, you don't need an exhaust hose. It cools, dehumidifies, purifies, and even serves as a fan, all in one compact device. Its versatility and no-hassle setup make it a great solution for people who want portability without the usual installation headaches. Number 1. Euhomy Portable AC. This model combines power, efficiency, and convenience in a well-rounded package. With a strong cooling capacity, intuitive controls, and a compact size, it's perfect for home or travel. It balances performance and affordability, making it one of the most practical and user-friendly portable air conditioners available today. And there you have it, 5 of the best portable air conditioners you can buy right now. Whether you're cooling your home, your van, or your campsite, there's an option here that's right for you. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest guides. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next video.